In 2011, the world voted again, this time for nature itself. The Amazon rainforest and river, the lungs of our planet. Ha Long Bay in Vietnam, where limestone meets still water. Iguazu Falls stretching across Argentina and Brazil. Jeju Island in South Korea, shaped by volcanoes and time. Komodo Island in Indonesia, ancient, wild, unforgettable. Puerto Princesas, underground river in the Philippines, flowing beneath the earth. And Table Mountain in South Africa, standing watch over the sea. 7 modern wonders, still timeless.